I am in one of the nicest restaurants called Big House Muraga. Here we can discover together the traditional food and we can explore the kitchen and all the possibilities that this restaurant gives. Everything based in tradition, but also from the culinary tradition of other countries as Italy and Greece, as we mentioned before. So follow me, let's go in the kitchen of this restaurant. I'm ready to try all the dishes that the chef prepared. So I'm starting here by the meatball. It is delicious. You can feel all the taste of the herbs, garlic that is inside, especially the taste of tomato sauce is delicious. Now I'm going to taste the eye fillet prepared with red wine and mushroom, and as you see with a very nice decoration of tomato and parmesan. Let me try how it is. It's nicely cooked. I don't know if you can see it. It's nicely cooked, and I like to try the red wine sauce. It's delicious. It's a perfect combination. The meat with mushroom, with a nutty taste of nuts, is delicious. This beautiful dish is tortellini filled with ricotta and spinach, and also served with ricotta and spinach and parmesan, garnished with some parsley. I'll try to see how it is. People say that here the tortellini are the most delicious of all because they prepare it fresh, and it is the house recipe that we're trying now. It is very fresh, it is very light, it is the perfect dish for the summertime. I could not go from this restaurant without tasting the nicest recipe that they have for the cheesecake. I would like to taste it. Oh, it is so soft and so nice. And so fresh. Guys, you know, we are really lucky because this recipe you will find in our website.